How to solve the problem if your WhatsApp account can no longer be used. Hello everyone, my name is Smile and in this video I'm going to show you how you can solve your problem. So first of all, what you need to do is go on the Google Play Store and see if your WhatsApp is updated to the latest version. So if it's still not working properly, then you have to see that someone reported or you've done something beyond the community guidelines, so WhatsApp has freezed your account and you can no longer use your WhatsApp account anymore. So to solve it, go to your preferred browser, contact WhatsApp, search for WhatsApp support, and you will see something like this. Now just tap on contact WhatsApp right here. Now if you have a business account, you can just tap here. If you have messenger account, WhatsApp messenger support, you can just tap here. Just contact whatever kind of WhatsApp you have. Now what you need to do is, here you need to select your phone number, also your country name, your email address, confirm your email address where you use your WhatsApp from, and you need to enter your message below what problem you have and send the message right here. By sending this, it will be sent to the WhatsApp and WhatsApp will give you a feedback in your phone number or email address with some feedback, and after following that your problem should be solved now. So that's how I can solve it. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then please do hit the thumbs up and subscribe button and also comment in the comment section below. Thank you for watching.